We are after the infamous squash vine borer. You can see where he climbed in right here, and this is the frass that was left behind. Fancy word for squash vine poo. So I'm going to use an X-Acto knife and see if I can find this little bugger. So I'm going to make an incision lengthwise along the vine right here down to the hole, and then go up a little higher and cut again, and then gently pry the vine apart here, trying not to completely destroy it, but just gently pull it apart. You can see the damage that he's done already. I'm just going to cut a little higher up here, see if we can find him. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to use my tweezers and dig in there. You can see quite a bit of frass here. Got him.